Here's another scene from my model railroad layout. Just starting with this yellow house. It has a yellow Camaro parked in front of it. Looks like the owner is standing there doing some yard work. And then there's a collection of houses here showing their backyards. There's the house previously shown with the roof repair. A nice yellow house there with a ranch house. The car with the door open. And then down the street you see some more houses on this residential section. The house here by the river. There's a split level house, another ranch house, got a trailer parked in front of it. This colonial two-story. There's a neighbor on the patio or the deck talking to the man across the street. You can see a Jaguar parked there. There's a Pontiac Bonneville convertible. This house over here has looks like a Duesenberg parked out in front of it. It's another colonial two-story with a Ford Thunderbird parked in front of it. Nice ranch house with the Mercedes. And this Mercedes has a problem with the radiator. I suppose there's a leak on the driveway. And this big house here, this ranch, split level, has a Cadillac parked in front of it. And there's another split level house that I had just shown. Down at the end of the street. So anyway, this is another view of the residential section of my model railroad layout. Thanks for watching.